Well, shares of HubSpot joined the rally today after launching its new AI platform, Breeze. New features there at the Inbound conference. A new suite of tools aimed at small and medium-sized businesses includes a new co-pilot and AI agents. Joining us now is HubSpot CEO Yamini Rangan. Yamini, great to have you. So you guys pioneered what's called inbound marketing. Now there and in customer service, AI usage is ramping. So how are companies using it? How can you tell whether they're satisfied with the results?
Hey, John, thanks for having me on this segment. And that's a great question. We launched our set of AI products yesterday named Breeze because we want to make it super easy for our customers to discover, add value, and get consistent value from AI features within the product. That's why it's called Breeze. Now, this is just the launch yesterday, but we've been launching AI features for the last 18 months, and we're beginning to see usage increase. I would say that marketing is probably the biggest use case. Nearly 65% of HubSpot AI users have already created content with marketing. They're using it to create great content, personalized content, and distribute content, and are beginning to see value. In fact, 91% of our users say that content created with AI performs better than other content. So there is the early stages of adoption there. And similarly, in terms of sales, we've launched a number of features over the past 18 months, and we're beginning to see significant reduction in the time spent in discovery by almost 30% and time spent in follow-up. Both of those lead to better productivity of salespeople and growth, and that's what we are hearing from our customers, John.
Okay, so Yamini, you also just held an analyst day yesterday connected to Inbound 2024. I think you said you estimate your market opportunity is going to grow about 68% to $128 billion in the next 5 years. Tell me what's going to happen on the ground to make that true. Where do you see those opportunities arising?
Yeah, that's a great point. We said that the whole market for CRM plus commerce focused on the small and medium scaling businesses, which typically have 2,000 to 2,000 employees, will grow from $76 billion to $128 billion by 2029. Now, what that composes of are all of the front office application suite. So marketing, sales, service, operations, content, those are all of the areas. And so in terms of the growth opportunity, we see tremendous opportunity as small and medium businesses are consolidating on fewer platforms, not just to reduce their cost, but also to improve the visibility and gain better insights about their customers' journey. And that is a big opportunity. Certainly, we continue to expand in each of those markets as we launched Content Hub earlier this year, which again helps with content marketing, and with Service Hub relaunch earlier this year. And I would also say that AI, beginning stages of a big transformative shift, is also opening up a huge opportunity for us.
Yamini, it's Morgan. It's great to have you on. I want to go back to, because I don't believe you've been on since all this reporting took place over the summer, but there have been reports that Alphabet was interested in acquiring HubSpot, and then after initial talks, the deal or possibility of a deal was scuttled. So just wanted to get your comments on that, and also whether you are open to the possibility of acquisition or collaboration.
Look, we are building a long-term business. We are really focused on building a business that serves small, medium businesses. We've really gone over the last 18 years from being an app that offers just marketing automation software to a suite to a full customer platform. And we are committed to the market. We are committed to serving our customers. I won't comment on rumors that happen in summer.
Well, I'm curious how many different tactics, strategies you're willing to employ in this quest for growth. We just had Sasan Goodarzi from Intuit on a couple days ago talking about Intuit Enterprise Suite. Part of that through MailChimp is marketing, so he's trying to go after some of that SMB community. And then, of course, Adobe's got Experience Cloud. A lot of the AI startups working in marketing through AI are kind of pricey. To what degree are you interested in acquiring those as you pursue growth? To what degree are you going to continue to organically develop these product capabilities?
Yeah, I'll maybe explain it as our product strategy as well as our go-to-market strategy. From our go-to-market perspective, we want to get small businesses start as early as possible in their digital journey with HubSpot. And we want them to continue to scale with us. And in order to do that, we're making HubSpot super easy to buy, easy to use, and easy to upgrade. Earlier this year, we actually reduced the price of our entire customer platform. We removed the friction of buying seat minimums, and all of that has helped us acquire customers at scale. Now, from a product perspective, the one and the only way to win within this market is by being super easy to use, really fast to deliver value, and providing a unified platform. And we are focused on driving a pace of innovation within the entire front office to help our customers grow, John.